Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Health Watch to your iPhone, an easy guide. First, locate and download the official Huawei Health application from the Apple App Store. It is crucial to fully charge your Huawei watch beforehand to prevent interruptions during the pairing process. Also, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone, which you can do quickly through your phone's control center or the main settings menu. Once the app is open, find the Devices tab at the bottom of your screen. From there, you will see an option to add device. Tap that to begin. The app will then search for nearby Huawei devices, so choose your specific watch model from the list presented. A pairing request will appear on both your iPhone and your watch. Confirm it on both to proceed with the connection. After successful pairing, the application will prompt you to grant various permissions for data access and synchronization. These permissions are essential for the watch to send health data to your phone. Take a moment to personalize your watch by choosing new watch faces and adjusting notification preferences through the app. You can also dive into health tracking features such as continuous heart rate monitoring and detailed sleep analysis. If you encounter any connection difficulties, a simple restart of both your Huawei watch and your iPhone often resolves the issue. Always make sure your Huawei Health application is updated to the very latest version available in the App Store for optimal performance and new features. For the most stable connection, try to keep your watch and iPhone within a range of about 10 meters, especially during initial setup or data synchronization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.